Hello, I'm EMS Captain Rivera with Palm Beach County Fire Rescue. I am the supervisor for fire rescue here at the Trauma Hawk. The Trauma Hawk is a joint effort between the Healthcare District of Palm Beach County and Palm Beach County Fire Rescue. Let me take you through some of the equipment that we have on this helicopter. This helicopter is advanced life support, meaning that it has all of the equipment that a ground ambulance has. We're able to manage any kind of emergency patient that we might encounter, from trauma to medical, as well as those patients. We also handle interfacilities from hospital to hospital. On this helicopter, we do provide advanced life support like all of the ground crews do. In addition to advanced life support, we also have blood for blood administration in exsanguinating patients. We can also perform advanced techniques such as finger thoracotomies in patients that need pressure relief in the thorax. Equipment that we have on the aircraft are monitoring capabilities. Along with the monitoring capabilities, we can also defibrillate and pace. We also can do invasive line monitoring on our interfacility patients. We have bags in the back. The blue bag is for our airway. The red bag is for trauma. We have a medication bag on the back wall over here, as well as some various equipment. We have a power load stretcher. On the front wall, we have a lot of pouches for equipment that we use all the time. And we do have a ventilator on the front wall as well. On the other side, we have some whole blood. Let's take a look at it. The whole blood is in this bag right here. This bag is a cooler. As well as the whole blood being in this bag, all of our equipment to administer this whole blood and warm it is all centrally located in this bag. The whole blood is kept at a certain temperature with this cooler. We carry 1 to 2 units of whole blood per aircraft. We also have a temperature monitoring device. It's Wi-Fi. Goes to our phone, lets us know if the cooler is inside temperature range. On the side pouches, we do have blood warmer. It allows us to warm the blood rapidly from 32 degrees to 100 degrees within a few seconds of administration. And we have a administration set that allows us to rapidly infuse a unit of blood. If we have good venous access, we can infuse a unit of blood in roughly 3 minutes.